know the money you carry today, that lightweight, ordinary-looking bill holds over 1,300 years of history? And here's the twist. It didn't start in the US or Europe, but in ancient China. Let's travel back to the 7th century. During the Tang Dynasty, the Silk Road was booming. Traders carried silk, spices, and tea across thousands of miles. But there was one big problem: coins. Heavy, bulky, easy to lose, and carrying too much made every journey dangerous. With bandits waiting along the roads, something had to change. In Sichuan, a wealthy region in southwest China, merchants found a clever solution. Instead of hauling bags of coins, they started using pieces of paper that represented the same value. These early notes could be exchanged for coins later. Suddenly, money became lighter than a feather. Trade was faster, safer, and far more efficient. By the 11th century, during the Song Dynasty, the government saw the potential and made the system official. They created the first standardized, government-backed currency called jiaozi. People trusted these notes because they could always be redeemed for coins. That trust turned paper money into a powerful tool that fueled China's economy. When Marco Polo visited during the Yuan dynasty in the late 13th century, he was stunned. In his journals, he wrote about pieces of paper that passed for money everywhere, amazed that an empire could run on something so simple, yet so powerful. It took centuries for this innovation to travel west. By the 17th century, countries like Sweden and England began experimenting with their own versions of banknotes. From there, paper money spread across the world, slowly reshaping economies, building industries, and connecting nations. Today, every time you hold a dollar, a euro, or a yen, you're holding an idea born over 1,000 years ago. What started as a simple solution for heavy coins became a global system, one that fuels trade, drives innovation, and keeps the world moving. So next time you open your wallet, take a second look. That simple bill isn't just currency, it's a 1,300-year-old innovation that continues to shape the future of money.